क्या आपने कभी सोचा है कि अमेरिका ने उसी महीने में एप्स्टीन फाइल्स क्यों लीक करी जब वर्ल्ड लीडर्स कह रहे थे that the old world order is dead? The people who ran the post 1945 world order, billionaires, royals, politicians, bankers, उन सब के नाम रिवील किए गए हैं। पर ये तो सालों से पता था, तो अभी रिवील क्यों किया गया? ये सब नाम इसीलिए रिवील नहीं किए गए हैं ताकि हमें लगे यस जस्टिस मिल गया। रे डालियो हैज अ थ्योरी एंड वो सुन के यू विल लिटरली गेट गूज़बम्प्स। रे डालियो स्टडीड 500 years of history and found a pattern. Every empire rises, peaks, and then collapses into a war. According to him, we are at stage 6, and world leaders have confirmed it. And the same month they said this, Epstein files were released, naming presidents, tech billionaires, the royalty, everyone who ran the world order. तो ये world order का end नहीं है, it is a controlled demolition of your trust in it. This is the book that he's talking about, and he has studied every major empire over the last 500 years. Dutch, British, American, Chinese, and सब में एक same pattern है. Stage 1, a new power arises, innovation, education, strong currency. Stage 2, they dominate, wealth grows, peace. Stage 3, the peak. The empire looks unstoppable. Stage 4, the decline begins. Debt rises, inequality grows, education weakens. Stage 5, internal conflict, populism, civil unrest. System starts breaking from within. Stage 6, जहाँ पर हम अभी हैं, a rival will challenge the dominant power. Stage 7, out of the wars, new winners emerge. They create the new world order and the cycle starts again. February 14th of this year हम लोग सभी Valentine's Day मनाने में busy थे और वहीं पर सभी world leaders ने ये agree किया system that was built after World War II is officially dead. Look at the list of people Epstein files named, right? बहुत ही common pattern है इन सभी names के पीछे. All of them are the types of people that built and ran the old world order. It's not a list of criminals, it's a list of the pillars of the old world order. अगर आपको लग रहा है मैं ऐसे ही बोल रही हूँ तो let's go back to stage 6 और देखते हैं उसमें क्या होता है और अभी right now क्या हो रहा है. दो चीजें. पहला, internal conflict becomes unbearable. Civil unrest बढ़ता है और लोगों का ट्रस्ट खत्म हो जाता है इंस्टीट्यूशंस में. सेकंड चीज, वॉर्स होती हैं और अभी क्या हो रहा है. And I'm not predicting anything, I'm just describing what is already happening with the world. अब अगर न्यू वर्ल्ड ऑर्डर आ रहा है, how will people accept it? Epstein files. In order for people to accept something new, they must lose their faith in the older system. Follow me for more such insights and share this with someone who has no fucking idea what's going on in the world.